Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your places. Class 1. Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 6. Lecture number 2. Today is our lecture number 2. Today's topic is numbers. Let's start. Numbers 301 to 400. First row is 301. 301. It's called 301. Next is 302. 302. 302. Next is 303. 303. 303. Next is 304. 304. 304. Next is 305. 305. 305. Next is 306. 306. 306. Next is 307. 307. 307. Next is 308. 308. 308. Next is 309. 309. 309. Next is 310. 310. 310. I will repeat this again. 301. 301. 302. 302. 303. 303. 304. 304. 305. 305. 306. 306. 307. 307. 308. 308. 309. 309. 310. 310. Next row is 311. 311. 311. 312. 312. 313. 313. Next is 314. 314. 315. 315. 315. 316. 316. 316. 317. 317. 317. 318. 318. 318. Next is 319. 319. Next is 320. 320. 320. I will repeat this again. 311. 311. 312. 312. 313. 313. 314. 314. 315. 315. 316. 316. 316. 317. 317. 317. 318. 318. 318. 319. 319. 320. 320. Next is 321. 321. 322. 322. Next is 323. 323. Next is 324. 324. Next is 325. 325. 326. 326. Next is 327. 327. Next is 328. 328. Next is 329. 329. 330. 330. I will repeat this again. 321. 321. 322. 322. 323. 323. 324. 324. 325. 325. 326. 326, 327, 327, 328, 328, 329, 329, 330, 330. Next is 321, 321, 321, 331, 331. Next is 332, 332. Next is 333, 333, 334, 334, 335, 335, 336, 336, 337, 337, 338, 338. Next is 339, 339. Next is 340, 340. I will repeat this again. 331, 331, 332, 332. 333, 333, 334, 334, 335, 335, 336, 336, 337, 337, 338, 338, 339, 339, 340, 340. 340, 340. Next is 341, 341, 341. Next is 342, 342. Next is 343, 343. Next is 344, 344. Next is 345, 345. 346, 346. Next is 347, 347. Next is 348, 348. Next is 349, 349. Next is 350, 350. I will repeat this again. 341, 341. 342, 342. 343, 343, 344, 344, 345, 345, 346, 346, 347, 347, 348, 348, 349, 349, 350, 350. Next is page number 41. Next row 351, 351, 352, 352. Next is 353, 353, 354, 354, 355, 355, 356, 356, 357, 357, 358, 358, 359, 359, 360, 360. I will repeat this again. 351, 351, 352, 352, 353, 353, 354, 354, 355, 355, 356, 356, 357, 357, 358, 358, 359, 359, 360, 360, 360, 360. Next row is students, you write in the book and speak with me. 361, 361, 362, 362. Next is 363, 363. Next is 364, 364. Next is 365, 365. Next is 366, 366. Next is 367, 367. Next is 368, 368. Next is 369, 369. Next is 370, 370. I will repeat this again. 361, 361. 362, 362. 363, 363. 364, 364, 365, 365, 366, 366, 367, 367, 368, 368, 369, 369, 370, 370. Next is 371, 371, 371, 372, 372, 373, 373, 374, 374, 375, 375, 376, 376, 377, 377, 378, 378, 379, 379, 380, 380. I will repeat this again. 371, 371. Next is 372, 372. Next is 373, 373. 374, 374. Next is 375, 375. Next is 376, 376. Next is 377, 377. Next is 378, 378. Next is 379, 379. Next is 380, 380. 380, 380. Next row is 381, 381, 381. Next is 382, 382. Next is 383, 383. Next is 384, 384. Next is 385, 385. Next is 386, 386. Next is 387, 387. Next is 388, 388. Next is 389, 389. Next is 390, 390. I will repeat this again. 381, 381. 382, 382. 383, 383, 384, 384, 385, 385, 386, 386, 387, 387, 388, 388, 389, 389, 390, 390, 390, 390. Next row is 391, 391, 391, 392, 392, 393, 393. Next is 394, 394. Next is 395, 395. Next is 396, 396. Next is 397, 397. Next is 398, 398, 399, 399, 400, 400. I will repeat this again. 391, 391, 392, 392, 393, 393, 394, 394, 395, 395, 396, 396, 397, 397, 398, 398, 399, 399, 400, 400, 400, 400. Students, This is your today's homework, page number 42. You will fill these numbers in this column which are given. You will fill the same number 401, 401. We will write here 401, 401. This is your today's homework. 401 to 500. This is your today's homework. Dear student, this is your lecture 1 homework. Today I will discuss. Let's start. 201. We will fill the same number in these columns. 201, 201. Then I will write here 201, 201. Next is 202, 202. Then I will write here 202, 202. Next is 203. Then I will write here 203, 203, 203. Next is 204, 204. Then I will write here 204, 204. Next is 205, 205. Then I will write here 205, 205. Next is 206, 206. Then I will write here 206, 206. Next is 207, 207. Then I will write here 207. Next is 208, 208. Then I will write here 208, 208. Next is 209, 209. Then I will write here 209, 209. Next is 210, 210. Then I will write here 210. Next row is 211, 211. Then I will write here 211. Next is 212, 212. Then I will write here 212. Next is 213, 213. Then I will write here 213. Next is 214, 214. Then I will write here 214. Next is 215. Then I will write here 215, 215. 215, 215. Next is 216, 216. Then I will write here 216, 216. Next is 217, 217. Then I will write here 217, 217. Next is 218, 218. Then I will write here 218. Next is 219, 219. Then I will write here 219. Next is 220, 220. Then I will write here 220. Next row is 221, 221. Then I will write here 221. Next is 222, 222. Then I will write here 222. We will fill the same numbers in these columns. Next is 223, 223. Then I will write here 223. Next is 224, 224. Then I will write here 224. Next is 225, 225. Then I will write here 225. Next is 226, 226. Then I will write here 226. Next is 227, 227. Then I will write here 227. Next is 228, 228. Then I will write here 228. Next is 229, 229. Then I will write here 229. Next is 230, 230. Then I will write here 230. Next is 231. Next row is 231, 231. Then I will write here 231. Next is 232, 232. Then I will write here 232. Next is 233, 233. Then I will write here 233. Next is 234, 234. Then I will write here 234. Next is 235, 235. Then I will write here 235. Next is 236, 236. Then I will write here 236. Next is 237, 237. Then I will write here 237. Next is 238, 238. Then I will write here 238. Next is 239, 239. Then I will write here 239. Next is 240, 240. Then I will write here 240. Next row is 241, 241. Then I will write here 241. Next is 242, 242. Then I will write here 242. Next is 243, 243. Then I will write here 243. Next is 244, 244. Then I will write here 244. Next is 245, 245. Then I will write here 245. Next is 246, 246. Then I will write here 246. Next is 247, 247. Then I will write here 247. Next is 248, 248. Then I will write here 248. Next is 249, 249. Then I will write here 249. Next is 250, 250. Then I will write here 250. Next row is 251, 251. Then I will write here 251. Next is 252, 252. Then I will write here 252. Next is 253, 253. Then I will write here 253. We will fill the same numbers in these columns. Next is 254, 254. Then I will write here 254. Next is 255, 255. Then I will write here 255. Next is 256, 256. Then I will write here 256, 256. Next is 257, 257. Then I will write here 257. Next is 258, 258. Then I will write here 258. Next is 259, 259. Then I will write here 259. Next is 260, 260. Then I will write here 260. Next row is 261, 261. Then I will write here 261. Next is 262, 262. Then I will write here 262. Next is 263, 263. Then I will write here 263. Next is 264, 264. Then I will write here 264. Next is 265, 265. Then I will write here 265. Next is 266, 266. Then I will write here 266. Next is 267, 267. Then I will write here 267. Next is 268, 268. Then I will write here 268. Next is 269, 269. Then I will write here 269. Next is 270, 270. Then I will write here 270. Next row is 271, 271. Then I will write here 271. Next is 272, 272. Then I will write here 272. Next is 273, 273. Then I will write here 273. Next is 274, 274. Then I will write here same numbers 274. Next is 275, 275. Then I will write here 275. Next is 276, 276. Then I will write here 276. Next is 277, 277. Then I will write here same numbers 277. Next is 278, 278. Then I will write here same numbers 278. Next is 279, 279. Then I will write here 279. Next is 280, 280. Then I will write here same numbers 280. 280. Next row is 281, 281. Then I will write here 281. Next is 282. Then I will write here 282, 282. Next is 283, though 283, 283. Then I will write here 283. Next is 284, 284. Then I will write here 284. Next is 285, 285. Then I will write here 285. Next is 286, 286. Then I will write here 286. Next is 287, 287. Then I will write here 287. Next is 288, 288. Then I will write here 288. Next is 289, 289. Then I will write here 289. Next is 290, 290. Then I will write here 290. Next row is 291, 291. Then I will write here 291. Next is 292, 292. Then I will write here 292. Next is 293, 293. Then I will write here 293. Next is 294, 294. Then I will write here 294. Next is 295, 295. Then I will write here 295. 296, 296. We will write here the same numbers, 296, 296. Next is 297, 297. Then I will write here 297. Next is 298, 298. Then I will write here 298. Next is 299, 299. Then I will write here 299. Next is 300, 300. Then I will write here 300. Students, I hope you all understand. Thank you, students.